This is an important breaking that is also once again related to Tamil Nadu Vettri Kalagam and the cases their netas are facing. And this one's about an anticipatory bail that was filed by Namakal District Secretary Satish Kumar. Not the Karur incident. This is entirely different incident. Unfortunately, even in Namakal, we saw a kind of like vandalizing and unruly crowd, and there too cases were filed. This was against Satish Kumar for one such case of vandalizing a hospital property for which he had filed an anticipatory bail, stating that this case is politically motivated and that police could arrest him. But looks like the court has denied anticipatory bail over here. We once again have Anaga Keshav. Anaga, can you please provide more information about this particular case? Well, this is a very important case actually, because this is something that happened in Namakal, and also similar cases are actually being faced by district secretaries in Trichy, Ariyalur, Namakal, Nagapatnam and now in Karur. And this is a separate case the case was being heard in Madras High Court, and this is about a bail petition, an anticipatory bail petition. Unfortunately, anywhere so far, an event that is conducted by Tamil Nadu Vettri Kalagam, one or other case has been filed, starting with Trichy. There also public vandalizing in the private properties belonging to private people. Same in Namakal, one case, a wall of a church's hall was vandalized, and such cases are being faced by Tamil Nadu Vettri Kalagam leaders. And here is another one. Satish Kumar, the district secretary of TVK, is now facing charges for which he had approached Madras High Court, but his anticipatory bail has not been entertained by the court. This has become a very important issue, and that is the reason standard operating procedures are being sought from the state government, because while the permission is being sought for such events, the number given by the organization is something different. The promises made by the organization to follow the rules and conditions is completely different, but that we do not see translating to the ground. And unfortunately, in the end, it is the citizen, it is the public who are suffering, and that is why the court has decided to come heavily against such issues. And what we see over here is that Satish Kumar has approached the court stating that it could be a politically motivated case, but the court is not ready to accept it. And for that, the anticipatory bail of Satish Kumar, the Namakal District Secretary of Tamil Nadu Vettri Kalagam, has been not entertained. In fact, there is also multiple cases against various TVK Netas as well. One case in particular for using a crane to garland Vijay with a large flower garland, and that was also turned out to be chaotic, because the police have then filed a case claiming that that was in a way causing hindrance and danger to the public. And that is why now people, even though Tamil Nadu Vettri Kalagam Netas have approached the court, we see here what is happening. We also have Anaga Keshav with us. Anaga, can you please provide more information as to why the court denied or did not entertain Satish Kumar's bail petition?
Well, in fact, I have with me the anticipatory bail copy of Satish Kumar, who is the District Secretary of Tamil Nadu Vettri Kalagam. He has alleged that he was falsely implicated on the basis of political rivalry. He has also gone on to say that he is completely innocent and his only fault was that he was there at the event and nothing else. I just want to read out to you some important portions of the petition copy that I have with me. He says that the petitioner is falsely implicated in the said crime only due to political rivalry. The petitioner is law-abiding and has no criminal antecedents, and therefore the petitioner, that Satish Kumar, submits that all the allegations against him are false, baseless and intended to implicate him for political rivalry. In fact, he's also gone on to say that he had no role in the alleged incident. On the contrary, he said, he has completely cried foul by saying that he was falsely roped into the case merely because of his political position, and that he is completely innocent, has no history of criminal record against him, and therefore on these grounds he should be granted anticipatory bail. But then the judge was quick to pull him up by asking how can he wash his hands off this grave incident that has happened. In fact, the judge has also gone on to question as to why he was unable to control the huge crowd that came in, and that implies his failure as a district secretary. And on this ground, Pramod, that the Madurai Bench has refused to grant anticipatory bail to Satish Kumar, who is the district secretary of Namakal for Tamil Nadu Vettri Kalagam. Up next, we have Dussi Anand's hearing and Nirmal Kumar's hearing also coming up. That's very, very crucial, because they had filed for an anticipatory bail fearing an arrest. So we have the next hearing that's coming. It's going to be very crucial for TVK because these two men are the top two men after Vijay in TVK.
It's a very important case right now because similar charges have been filed against Dussi Anand and CTR Nirmal Kumar, while Madhya again has already been arrested. And